spiritual levels. No dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praising most high 7 days of the week. Some putting that work and no teaching the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe. Some come just to take up the space that we need. They're spiritual levels, they come in all shapes and the sizes, there's several. We got the power.
Another video as usual, giving y'all that good content. Hey, make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel. Really make sure you hit that like button so my videos can be notified. Posting videos can pull up on other people's recommended videos so they can like, share, subscribe too. But we finna get right into the video. What I'm about to do, got this little box from Amazon. Gotta open it. It's the same light I got on my charger. One of these right here. So I'm finna get one of these installed on the journey right here. Pretty simple, pretty easy to install. Just gotta remove some stuff. Other than that, this finna go on here. Let's get into the light bar. Cost me about, I think about $10 on Amazon. It's cheaper on eBay. But I had a gift card, so I just used my Amazon gift card. It's like an $8 piece. So we're finna get this installed and see what it does. Get into the video. So I'm doing it on my Dodge Journey. This light right here is what's flashing, so it's probably going to be one of these wires right here. It's going to be real simple. So this is, oh yeah, this is going to be real easy. So it's only 2 wires. So it's gonna be really simple, easy. This is my controller. So you got everything set up there. So you just gotta figure out, whoever's doing it on your car, you just gotta figure out how to connect everything. So I'm gonna get my power wire, my red wire, and reverse. I'll put the reverse on too. Yep. So I'm gonna put my power wire and my green wire, which is the running to keep the light on. I'm gonna put it to one of my wires for my regular lights instead of feeding it all the way up to the front. But you will need a tester for this. It's pretty much all you need, a tester. And then however your car set up, get the clips out and stuff. My blue wire is my left turn signal wire. Hey, tell me what it's all that's in slavery. It's all that's in slavery. It's all that's in slavery. I gotta do is find on this harness which one cuts the power to the headlight on. Oh, it's not connected to it. I feel stupid. Ain't working. So I got the light working on the journey. I just put it in on the end, on this wire at the end right here. So I put it in on this wire right here, as you see. I just got it in right there. So I'm probably just gonna cut through that wire, just put the connection on there. And then you will need an extra wire for this, because you need to wire this, the other turn signal light, all the way to that side. So you're gonna take that one out, take that light out, and just connect it to the one wire, which I have it on here. And that's pretty much it. It's like an ice blue. It looks green to me, but it's actually like ice blue. So that's gonna be the running light. That's gonna be on when you don't have the service light on. I gotta zoom in. I don't really feel like doing the brake or reverse light, but it's pretty simple too. But mine brake lights are on here. My brake lights are on this piece right here, so we don't feel like going messing with it. I need more wire. I need more wire. But I'm done with this. I can go ahead and put this back together, and then I can just wire my wire on here, wire my wire up here. It's 2 wires with the brake and reverse wire.
But then don't you see we do for you? Gone let the saints sing, gone let the saints sing, gone let the saints sing, gone let the saints sing. We the same offspring as the king of the kings, sons of God, pacing saints, no breaking rank, moving me. We the certified prophets of the Most High God. When you hear them saints singing, you gon' know it's no facade. Everything we say is accurate, cause every day we practice righteous acts, keeping unity, trying to make it out this captivity. Keep Bibles like Barnes and Noble, righteous acts what we focus on. Be swift to hear, slow to speak, cause this word will cut you like Swiss cheese.
Put this gauge on my golf or my ground wire so I have more leverage so this can pull down.
Ain't entertaining no more lies and doing vain things. Gotta study, pray, apply, that's how we maintain. Oh, gathering up the saints we trying to build right now. Damn, so much prophecy is being fulfilled right now. Speaking wisdom in your ears, but you can't hear it right now. If you listen, close your mouth, you could get healed right now. Every time we go and put in work, often it's true. And all this work we do, Lord, don't you see we do for you? Gone let the saints sing, gone let the saints sing, gone let the saints sing, gone let the saints.
I got 2 more wires to connect. You don't necessarily have to connect these. If you want the reverse and brake light, really don't matter. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one connected, and then I might do those. But this is the to the right side.
The spiritual levels, no dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe.